The ultimate health insurance plan. Ito na ang hinahanap mo. Real talk tayo. Hindi lang yung sakit yung nakakatakot, kundi yung gastos na kasunod nito. Heart attack, stroke, cancer, araw-araw libo-libong tinatamaan dito sa atin. At marami ang nalulubog sa utang kahit naka-recover.
Healthy naman ako. Wala pa yan.
Good that you're healthy. Pero alam mo ba, heart attack ang leading cause of death noong 2024. 126,652 Pinoys ang namatay. Stroke kills 65,000 every year. Cancer takes 96 lives daily. Karamihan after age 50.
Mag-iipon na lang ako.
Pwede naman. Pero madalas, malaki ang gastos sa treatment. Pwede kang gumastos ng 300,000 to 1 million pataas. Pwede kang gumaling sa sakit, pero kaya mo bang gumaling sa gastos?
Ganun ba? So, anong marerecommend mo?
Good news! Introducing Resilience Critical Illness Extra by Insular Life. May guaranteed lump sum cash kapag na-diagnose, covers 123 critical illnesses, at ang proteksyon hanggang age 99. May hospital allowance, good health rewards, at second coverage pa for major illnesses.
Mahal siguro yan.
Actually, hindi. Here's a sample case for a 25-year-old male with 300,000 coverage, 1,398 pesos per month lang. 10 years ang babayaran, lifetime na ang peace of mind. Pwede rin po ito sa seniors up to age 70, pwedeng mag-apply.
Wait, may HMO na pala ako.
Maganda yan. Pero kadalasan, maliit lang ang coverage ng HMO. Mas solid kung may critical illness insurance ka rin, lalo na pag malala ang sakit. Don't wait for the worst to happen. Comment info or message us now to get your free quote. Let's protect your future habang healthy ka pa.
Okay, fine.